we head back to school, we wanted to have some fun too and test our own scientific knowledge. Yikes.
Fun in quotation marks. Nick Uhas, host of the YouTube channel Nickipedia, is here to teach us a few lessons. Nick, good morning. Nice to see you.
Good morning.
This completely necessary?
Absolutely. It's going to get a little crazy out here today.
All right, let's
Really?
go. You have 4 science questions you're going to ask us, and then you're going to show us the answers. What's first?
Absolutely. So the first one is, can you walk on water? So naturally you would think you could have, you can only do that with magic. Well, today we're going to be doing it with science.
Or if you're Jesus.
Or if you're Jesus. This is a non-Newtonian fluid. What that is a solid and a liquid at the exact same time. So if you apply pressure to it, it'll be a solid. If you just let it be, it'll turn into a liquid. So the question is, do you think you could run across this?
It's shining water. I don't think so.
Go ahead and touch it, like smack it, like touch it, hold it.
Yeah.
There's no way you're going to
I'm
be
going
on
to show
top
you guys
of
really
that.
quick.
It's a liquid.
It looks like a liquid, but if you grab it,
Oh.
Whoa.
Okay.
So now I'm going to say no, I don't think you can walk across that.
All right, let's get in there, Dylan. Let's do it.
Or somebody hold my hand. Okay. Okay, I'm sinking so
Okay, now you got to move, though.
quickly.
Go. Keep it up. He's on top of it. Wow, nice. You were right on top of it.
What happened?
I can even go backwards on water.
Do the moonwalk.
That's pretty cool.
I can't do that.
Show us your dance moves in there.
What does
My
that
feet
feel
do
like?
get stuck.
It's like a spa
If I stop
pedicure.
moving, I feel like my
You
feet
sink
have
if you
gotten
stop.
stuck in quicksand or something.
So
like
the only
something
in nature,
All right,
the
you
only
stay
place
there.
that
We'll
exists
move on.
is quicksand. We'll come back to you. Don't worry.
Oh my
Couple
goodness.
hours.
Leave me.
All right.
Okay. Sorry.
Oh, that's nice. Lovely.
There you go. All right, you made it.
All right, Nick, what's the second question?
Okay, so this next one is, can water protect you from a fireball? So this one's
There we
pretty
go.
dicey. Who
You
wants
had
to
to sign
volunteer?
you signed a release. Well, we both
all
did.
signed a
I know,
release
but
on
we're
this.
with child.
Yeah, we're gonna stand over
How
here.
do we do this?
We want to make sure you don't burn your hair off. Okay, so that's...
Oh, Nick. Wow.
Come on.
Okay, so we're going to do is, in this balloon right here is methane.
Carson.
So go ahead and hold this like a bagpipe.
looks scared.
One underneath your arm right here like this.
Okay.
So, there you go. All right.
luck, Matt.
And you're
We
going
love
to take,
you.
are you right-handed or
Matt's
left-handed?
available for birthday
Left-handed.
parties.
Okay, so go ahead and take off the left glove.
Take off the left glove.
Take off the left glove and roll
But I
this up.
thought you said gloves were important, Nick.
Well, so if you're left-handed, we want to make sure that you can use that later on in life or
Okay.
whatever. Okay, so go ahead and take this clip. We're going to push this off so that we get a stream there. All right. Now go ahead and put this down into the
See this?
liquid.
Yeah.
And we're going to make bubbles. So like with your arm, go ahead and squeeze it. Now take your hand out of there. See what I'm doing right here? We're going to make bubbles. They're going to be kind of pouring out.
Like backing
Right
up.
there. We're going to continue making bubbles.
What is
And then
this liquid?
pull your hand out a little bit more. All right. There you go. Make bubbles. We want them to look a lot like this before they blow away. Okay. So we're going to make some more bubbles. Now, with this hand over here, go ahead and put these down here. We don't need these anymore. All right.
Yeah.
Now go ahead and take this hand and put it. No,
This
you're
better be good.
Oh,
string this back. We want to make sure you don't burn your your entire hand here. Okay.
Is this
or your
all
shirt.
water or what is
Why are
this?
you leaning way back?
There you go. That's what we need right here. If
you're not here, someone's
put
gotta
your hand in
help
there.
out
Now
right
make sure
here.
you get it all nice and wet. Okay. There you go. That's pretty good.
This is good.
Okay. Now go ahead and scoop some of those bubbles in your hand, just like this right here. All right.
Waiting for your hand to
Now,
explode.
go
What's
ahead
gonna
and have
happen?
him
Oh my
light it.
gosh!
All right, get back.
I was wondering about that. That was cool.
Did you feel that? Did it feel hot?
Can you do that out of your mouth? Could you drink that stuff?
All right, let Carson get involved in the next one with
Here's
Savannah.
the third one.
This mat is on fire. Okay.
So we have two chemicals here. One is hydrogen peroxide, the other one is potassium iodide. When we mix these two, we're going to get a giant reaction, all right? So we're going to mix them really quickly and back away also very quickly. This
So
is
what
not the
goes
same
where?
hydrogen
You just dump
peroxide.
this in there and that's
Exactly.
it?
This looks like Chardonnay.
I'm going to have you go. I would not drink that.
Okay.
This is going to be you, right?
Okay.
And Carson, you're going to be on this one.
Okay.
And we have 3 different containers.
Yes.
So
I'm still
we're going to
standing back.
probably get a different reaction, all
Wait,
right?
so just dump it in?
Carson,
in on the
we'll
back.
do
3,
what
2, 1,
Carson did.
dump it in and back away. All right,
Okay.
here we go.
1, 2,
3, 2, 1.
3.
Dump it in, dump it in, back away, back away.
That's awesome! That is awesome!
It's like hot and slimy.
I see those questions. I see those
But
questions.
is this see your little fireball and
Yeah.
that was cool.
was amazing.
But wait a second, should we tell people do not do,
Do not do
this
this at home. The hydrogen peroxide is
But why
35%. That's 7 times
Don't do it at
more
home.
of the reactant than what you put on your.
Why didn't we end with that one?
This is
Don't worry.
What? There's one more.
There's one more. And the
my
bravest
gosh.
soul is
Touch
who
it.
we need here.
It's like
who wants to step up
It's
to the plate?
Carson and me, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so
Oh,
what we
it's
have over
warm.
here is we have
Oh, that's so
liquid
cool.
nitrogen. We have 10 liters of liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is negative 321 degrees below freezing. Over here we have a bucket of hot water. We're gonna mix the two. What could go wrong, right? I mean, what could go wrong?
Do we need this?
You're gonna need that, and you're gonna need a blast shield over there. We have
blast shield.
blast shield.
Now we're
He's
getting
got
somewhere.
Can we have the blast shields, please?
Now what happens here is this water mixes with the liquid nitrogen. You have a reaction. It instantly condenses and turns into a cloud. The only question is, how big of a cloud is that going to make?
You're saying this is going to be more impactful than that
I'm
moment
not
right
saying
there.
anything. We're scientists. We're going to use a scientific method. We're going to figure this out.
Do we need
right?
a blast shield at all?
You're pretty good. Maybe a little further
Okay,
back.
okay.
Step
back.
Okay.
How far should
You know
we be?
what? We should all be maybe like here. All right. Now you're taller than I am, so I want you to bring it up over your head and down in here.
Down.
We're gonna.
Can I just say something what's fun to look at? Siri is over there looking, going, go ahead!
Okay.
So just dump it all in or
yeah.
pour it?
Yep. Just go ahead and dump it in there.
Okay, ready?
All right. I'm gonna back away.
Oh my gosh.
Make sure you get it all in there at the same time.
That is awesome!
It's amazing. Oh, it's cool. Ooh, it
That
feels
was
kinda
cool! That was awesome!
Nick Uhas. You know what? It doesn't even matter what the science is behind it. It's just plain fun.
It's just fun.
Why did we start the show with this? It's so good.
But again, seriously, please do not try any of this at home.
No.
Do not
Nick
try any of
knows what he's doing.